Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wuben. Now this here is their PL01. Now I was sent this kit here from Wuben directly. They wanted me to test and feature it here on my channel. Comes in this box. This is considered more of a Penlight. ECL, Everyday Carry Light, what they call theirs. Start off here with the specs. It has 650 lumens out of a Penlight. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Now it does have a sticker here. I like the way they're going with this packaging idea from them. Here's the user manual. It's going to be pretty straightforward operation on this. Multi-language front and back. Got a box here. Have one lanyard. One USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. It looks like the sticker from the battery warning here is stuck to the bag. So here is a reminder and a warning letting you know there is a protection piece on the battery. I'll go ahead and remove that before charging it or using it for the first time. Let's take a look here at the light. There it is. Now I used pen lights back in the day. I carry quite a few extra lights. Pen lights were always my go-to lights when I was heading out. I'd always carry 2 or 3 of these and a headlamp. And these were my lights to leave. Make sure I always had light going home and being able to walk away from whatever we were investigating. I like the way this a little thinner here at the center of the barrel there. Tail clicky. Clip on here is a 2-way clip, so you can put it on a baseball cap if you want to use it as a little headlamp. It's compact. A little bit of a tactical feel there. Otherwise, I used to put these in my mouth and work on something back in the day. Pen lights go a long ways, way back in the incandescent days, and the bulb would have a little magnifying tip on it, stick out past the they weren't very bright, but they were better than nothing. Style and design on this is nice. No issues. It's got flat black finish here. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Been doing Wuben reviews for them for many years. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the proprietary LED there. This is running the 315D LED. It's supposed to be 5000K and a CRI90. That's what that looks like there. Yep. Fell out of the light beam there. Alright, well let's go ahead and take this all apart and I'll show you the batteries that it comes with. And get it to come out. The protection piece is kind of making it hard to come out there. What I do is I save these. You want to remove that. And here's the rechargeable AAA battery. Now this is the port here. Now this is 600 milliamp. This is a 10880 battery. So 10880 battery to be exact. You can use regular 2 AAA batteries as well. And this is ready to go. So basically you have it right here. Interesting how they did that. There's the spring on the tail. So now let's go ahead and get this all back together. Let's go through the UI. Now that actually turned it on there. Now let's go through the UI. Just half press, or if you want to call it a tap. It's a really nice low lumen output there. And you just tap on that. 650 lumens. That's a nice beam here. You can see the large hotspot here. A little bit of a bleeding around that, but the area outside of that just tapers off on that spill area, which is typical for this type of optics. Now this will cycle down due to heat. It's getting pretty warm there. And then right back down to the lowest. So no special modes on this. Just kind of show you from here. Just tap on that. Nice color temp on this, I've got to admit. 5K is maybe 47 is my absolute lowest in the warming, but 6500 would be my absolute coolest. Whether it be headlamps, car headlights, anything. That's all there is to this light. Very simple, easy to operate this. Carry it on, you have it as a backup or as your main light. It's really up to you. I'm going to charge this light here, the battery that is, before I take it out there. But it's nice to be able to run 2 AAA cells in this too. It's up to you. It's going to be less light output, but should be fine. I mean, it feels rugged. Not seeing any issues. Wuben makes very nice quality lights, and they've been around for many years. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this PL01 out, See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wuben PL01. Let's go ahead and get started. And it is on, believe it or not. Very nice low level here. We've got some pretty good beam range at this light output. Yeah, at least 20, 30 feet. Let's go to the next level here. Now this beam, in my opinion, does lean a little towards the flood side. It's got a large hot spot, as you can see there. 38 feet to have water spout. 65 feet here to this tree. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Let's go to the next level here. A little bump up, spill has come alive. Remember, this is just a little Penlight, and it's making 138 feet there to that famous tree of life. Let's go to the next level here. Look at that beam. Good spill area. Look at that, making 138 feet there. It's all coming from a Penlight. 238 feet, faintly. So I would say about 150 feet usable. Do a beam profile here. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice beam performance on here, especially for a Penlight. Now it doesn't have a lot of range on there, but easily see 100, 140 feet, give or take. Really depends on your situation and environment. But for a Penlight, making this like an everyday carry, carry it in your shirt pocket, jacket, pants, either way, you've got light whenever you need it. These are nice to keep in the vehicle as well. I do have a couple old ones that I keep in there because these are just super easy to carry, and batteries last quite a while. The battery configuration, you can use the one that's included or 2 AAA cells. It's up to you. That's a nice feature. Plus the one that's included is rechargeable, so you can use it over and over and over. Same goes for the AAA. You can get rechargeable of those as well. But overall, a nice build quality on here. Nice looking little light, and it's compact enough to hide it easily. And the LED being 5K high CRI90 is also a plus. Okay, well, I want to thank Wuben for sending me this PL01 Penlight to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code where you can get this budget-friendly light, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these all new lights from Wuben to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.